Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the Zenu and the Nixod. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, pros and cons, and customer reviews to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The Zenu portable washing machine has a capacity of 13 liters, making it suitable for small loads of laundry. In contrast, the Nixod offers a larger capacity of 15 liters, allowing you to wash more items at once. This difference in capacity can be crucial for users who frequently wash multiple small items. When it comes to price, the Zenu is the more budget-friendly option at $57. On the other hand, the Nixod is priced at $79, which reflects its larger capacity and additional features. Depending on your budget, this could be a significant factor in your decision. The Zenu offers basic washing functions with a simple design, while the Nixod includes a spin basket for faster drying, making it a more versatile option. This feature can be particularly beneficial for users who want to reduce drying time after washing. In conclusion, both the Zenu and Nixod portable washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. The Zenu is a great budget-friendly choice for those with lighter laundry needs, while the Nixod offers more capacity and features for a higher price. We hope this comparison helped you in making your decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.